USA Performance Parts. I want to show you our new 427 cubic inch premium lightweight circle track rotating assembly. We start with a Lunati 4340 forged crankshaft. This only weighs 45 pounds instead of 55, 56 pounds as the standard crank. These will handle up to 800 horsepower, so which covers almost all of the 23 degree engines and even some of the 18 degree stuff. The crankshafts are all gun drilled through the mains to lighten it. All the rod journals are lightened also. They have the star flange on them where they've gone in and machined all the extra weight off of that. The biggest thing, they've done a lot of scalloping on the crank in the up near the main. It gets rid of a lot of weight. You have to keep some counterweight on it to be able to balance it. And this takes a lot more weight off of it and doesn't affect the strength of it. These have all the main oiling holes are chamfered already. You don't have to go in and touch them again. Great crankshaft for the 427, 434 guys. I do have them. We have them in a 350 main and a 400 main for the guys at either block that you have. Our premium kit comes with a premium rod. This is a Carrillo Bullet I-beam rod. This is a great rod. This happened to be a 6-inch rod. They have the famous WMC bolt in it, which is much stronger than an ARP 2000 and has none of the bad things of some of the other ARP L19 style bolts that some rod companies use. This will easily handle 800 plus horsepower. This is something you can put in and you just never have to worry about it again. They are fairly lightweight for being a heavy duty rod, but they'll handle that high RPM, big horsepower. We use the King bearings in it, XP bearings in it exclusively. The sizes are perfect in it. Their tolerance is really tight, and they have a great, it's almost a dark gray black overlay on them that's easy on the crankshaft, but it's a little bit harder than some of the lead overlays like the Clevites have. Again, the premium, we go to a premium piston. This is the new CP Bullitt Elite piston. It's vertically gas ported for better ring seal. Comes with a 112 millimeter ring package. It's an inboard forging to keep a lot of strength and get rid of the weight. It only has a 2250 wall or a length pin in it. Now, these are upgraded to a 180 wall. Basically, for the bigger horsepower and the high RPM, these guys are going to run these. This is a 180 wall, but it's still only 120 grams. So it's a perfect match for this. This is the ring package with that very thin 1.2 millimeter or 2 millimeter oil ring. I mean, there's not it's pretty narrow, really lightweight, but it seals the oil very, very well. We use the nitrided steel top ring in it. Again, it's only 1 millimeter, which is just under 40 thousandths. It does a couple of things. One, it gets rid of a lot of weight on the piston, but also you don't have the ring flutter with a lightweight ring, and they actually seal better than the heavier ring. For the second ring, it's a Napier cast iron, which is what some guys call it a hook ring, which helps the oil control also. This ring package, horsepower-wise, over a 3/16, the old style, is 30 to 35 horsepower improvement. Again, it's a great package for anybody looking for a high-quality rotating assembly. We also can furnish the SHP blocks or the Motown World Products lightweight circle track blocks. you got any questions, give me a call, 704-397-7979, or check us out on the web, usaperform.com.